Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a really short, sweet, and simple video. I'm going to do a quick flip through of my coupon inserts that I received today, and we're going to announce the winners of the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So before we get started, you guys know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so really quickly we are going to do a quick flip through. I'm going to show you which inserts and which coupons I received today, which is June the 27th. Now keep in mind, Dollar Tree does sell newspapers, Sunday newspapers on Monday for $1 if you want to save a little bit of money. And then of course check on inboxdollars.com. They have printable coupons and they will actually pay you 1 or 2 cents to print those coupons off, and then you get an extra 10 cents back when you actually use those coupons in the store. I will pop up a screen right here, and then you can also check in the description box below. There is a referral link for Inbox Dollars if you want to go and check that out. So we're just going to flip through these really quickly. We've got Clairol hair color. We've got Poise, Depends, some Alka-Seltzer, some more sunscreen. We do have 1 off 1 Cottonelle, and we do have instant savings at DG, so keep that in mind. And 50 cents off for the Scott bath tissue. We've got some eye drops, Bengay, 2 off 1. We have Ajax. And then we have Speed Stick. So the Speed Stick is included in that instant savings. Spend 10, instantly save 3 at the register at DG. So that could be incorporated into a good deal. So we may have to try something with that. I haven't took a good close look at the DG ad yet, but I will do that and upload a good deals and glitch list video, because there are so many good deals going on this week. We've got a 4-day sale. We have the P&G, spend 15, save 5, or get a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. And we have a whole lot of really good P&G coupons as well, so that will make for some great deals too. Last week I didn't get to put up a good deals and glitch list video. I'm just going to kind of chit chat while I'm flipping through here. Our AC went out, and then we found out that we had a water leak. So we did get the AC fixed. Now we're going to work on the water leak. Tomorrow, hopefully, everything will be back to normal. But yeah, I kind of hit a little bit of a bad luck streak last week. So hopefully this week will be better. But I have been talking to a few of our crazy couponing family members and friends. And there are about 3 of them that I know of have kind of run into some bad luck as well. So if you guys pray, or if you're spiritual, or anything like that, just please keep our crazy couponing friends and family in your thoughts and prayers this week. Let's send them some good vibes and hope that everything gets better, because my little AC and water leak is in no way compared to what they're going through. And just want to send them some love and hugs and good vibes, and hopefully everything will start to get better for them. So here is the one coupon that I am very excited about. It's buy one, get one free on the Love, Beauty, and Planet. And I love these products, and it is a max value up to $9.99. So I'll definitely be using those. We also have Suave Professionals, 2 off 2 and 1 off 1. So be on the lookout for Suave coupons in your DG app this week. Those kind of, we have coupons that trickle in throughout the week. So be on the lookout for those. So we're almost to the end here. Do any of you guys have some really good plans, cool plans, things that you're doing? What are you guys doing for the 4th of July next Sunday? We're going to go to our regular spot and watch fireworks, maybe have a cookout. Should be a lot of fun. But let me know down in the comments below. Do you guys have any plans, and what are you guys going to be doing next weekend? Here's the Family Dollar ad. We have a lot of good sales going on this week. They have a deal, get a $5 reward when you spend 15 or more on Bic razors, Dial body wash or bar soap, or the Got to Be styling products. I definitely need to check out Family Dollar. If you hear my kid sneezing in the background, he's we've been fighting allergies too, so I apologize. Alright, just a bunch of ads, it looks like. Yeah. So that's it. Then we have some sleep vitamins products on the back. And that is it for this week's Smart Source and Save Insert. Some of you guys may have received a second save insert with the gardening coupons. I'm not sure if that was this week or last week, but if you are one of those people and you know, let me know down in the comments below, because I never get those coupons in my area. I wish I did, but we do not, unfortunately. Alright guys, so that's it for the coupons. Now I'm going to announce the winners of the giveaway. Alright guys, so now it's time to announce the winners of the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to be choosing 6 people to receive a $25 Amazon gift card. And you guys will have 24 hours after this video is posted to get in touch with me. You can either send me an email to crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can direct message me on Instagram. It's at crazycoupons. All of that information is down in the description box below. Again, I just want to thank each and every one of you all for your support that you've shown me and this channel. It has been a journey, and it has been so much fun watching this channel grow over the past year. So thank you so much for making that happen. Alright, so the winners of the 10K giveaway are Melissa Pruitt from South Carolina. We have Naisha L., I hope I'm saying her name correctly, from North Carolina. Laura Simpson from Florida. TF from Oklahoma. Paula Johnson from Tennessee. And Miss Deborah Williams Buss. So congratulations to all of you, and thank you again so much for all of your support. Like I said, send me an email or direct message me on Instagram, and I will send you guys your Amazon gift cards. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. Again, thank you all so much for all of your support. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you. Now, be on the lookout, because we do have new P&G inserts coming out soon, and I will be doing a giveaway as soon as I get those in my hands. And we do have the Good Deals and Glitch List video that will be up either Monday or Tuesday. So again, be on the lookout for that as well. Before you go, make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. As always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, leave a congratulations to our winners. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.